Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. I just want to share with you some news I read this morning from Chinese sources that the Tesla Model Y is actually going to be introduced in Shanghai Auto Show, which is going to take place on April 16th. There is no, obviously, definite confirmation by anyone. I just want to also share with you a tweet conversation that Elon Musk had a little while ago when he was asked, will Tesla Model Y be introduced in March? And then he said, yes, March 15. And he said, why so precise? He said, because it just sounds good. So obviously, it was just one of them things that Elon Musk said. He says a lot of things. Anyway, it will be very interesting in Shanghai, and I can see the logic, because Tesla is building a huge gigafactory in Shanghai, and the Model Y for the Chinese market will be built in Shanghai, which makes completely and total sense. Somewhere I read that the plan is to, at the beginning, in the United States. I mean, the Model Y for the United States will be built in the United States, and from what I heard, it's going to be like 2,000 Model Ys a week production, as opposed to 8 to 10,000 in for the Model 3s. But here's what I'm telling you: whether Model Y is revealed in China, Japan, Nevada, or I don't know, New Jersey, probably not. Whichever is going to be revealed, I am telling you, it's going to be one of the most successful electric cars in human history if it's going to be produced. People are going to want to buy it like there's no tomorrow, and I'm going to be standing first on line. A little compact SUV, 4x4, a 5-seater for young families, going on trips with good trunk space. Are you kidding me? Americans love these kind of cars. Love. Okay, so whenever it's going to be and whenever it's going to be and whatever it's going to be, once it's out there, and he says 20 end of 2020 starting production, I am telling you, whoever gets to that finish line first in small SUVs, and electric trucks is going to hit a big score. And if Tesla does first, or even if they do second, just like with the Model 3s, because of their amazing supercharging network in the United States, Europe, and Japan, and other places, they have such an advantage, a total monopoly and domination of the EV market, regardless of anything I just said. So let's see what happens. I will follow the development and let you know. Of course, thank you guys. If you hear something, please put it in the comment. But meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Please support this channel, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video.